So this is the hands-on video of Asus ROG Phone 3, which is an upcoming gaming smartphone from Asus, and today we have this leaked hands-on clip of Asus ROG Phone 3 showing off the design from every angle. Phone looks pretty much same as of the previous two predecessors, the Asus ROG Phone 1 and Phone 2, but this time at rear side it has more clean design if you compare it to the previous two models. At the front side we have that same 6.59 inches AMOLED display, and at the rear side we have a little logo of Tencent games. It clearly means that phone is featuring some of the Tencent games like PUBG, which points us towards this conclusion that PUBG on this phone is going to be buttery smooth even on maximum settings. Now in the center at the rear side there is same Asus glowing logo, which has almost 4 different lighting options which you can change from the phone settings. Now let me tell you that we have already seen the design of this phone before this video on TENNA Listing, on which I have already made a full video where I have talked about the specs in details. So you can also watch that video by clicking that little I button at the top right corner of this video. Now if we talk about the cameras, then at the rear side we have triple cameras instead of dual cameras, and primary lens is of 64 megapixel, as it is clear from the text mentioned just below the camera array, which you can see clearly, which confirms that this time we might see an telephoto or depth sensor. And this time we also have that third lens, which confirms that this time we might see an telephoto or a depth sensor. And if we talk about the processor, then it will have that Snapdragon 865, not the Snapdragon 865 Plus, but this time we'll see an overclocked Snapdragon 865, which means a major increase in the frequency of up to 3.01 GHz, and 16 GB of RAM will also be there. Talking about the refresh rate, then nothing is confirmed regarding this, but we might see 120 Hz or we might also see 144 Hz, but there are chances that 144 Hz refresh rate will make its place. If not, then Lenovo's Legion upcoming gaming smartphone will be the best gaming phone, I would say. Battery of Asus ROG Phone 3 is going to be of 6000 milliamps. So that's what we had to talk on specs and design of this phone, and this hands-on video is actually a clear proof that phone is coming really soon, and we might see this in the upcoming month or maybe in 2 months. That's all for now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for future tech updates and tech news, and I'll catch you in the next one.